because we're gonna have some fun.
I said, what are we doing?
B-roll, baby.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm one of the owners here of Rogue Phoenix. Rogue Phoenix is a dream that we brought reality. We are an automotive design company that specializes in making beautiful vehicles practical. And what that means, what we're going to build here with this F-150 5.0. We don't just build all the new vehicles, make them look great and flashy. We have so many vehicles that are available to us that we just absolutely love, but they're just simple things that we can do to improve them, to just make them look even sharper every day. But at the same time, holding a strong practicalness for our everyday use. Because we have our toy vehicles that just don't fit the practical bill every day, especially for us that are family men. So come follow us as we've been working hard on launching this company to show you what we're all about. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, as we're going to keep up as much as we possibly can through our busy schedules to create weekly content for you as we keep building these vehicles with many, many surprises to come. Also, if you want one of these, just go to our online store. It's going to be launched here shortly, so just stay tuned at roguephoenixco.com. We'll put a link right there. But we have been working extra hard on that because not as just our vehicles, we love our gear too that we wear every single day. So we provide that through here in our website. So many exciting things that I can't even wait to get my hands on for my own personal use that's going to be available for you guys. So now that we've made a mess of this truck, we got to go clean it up. We got to go get it ready for wrap. We are going to go run out to our wrap guy, and I got some ideas that I want for colors. Jake's got some ideas. You'll meet Jake throughout this journey.
Oh!
But we don't know yet. I'm nervous as all get out because, like, this truck in particular, I've loved it being a whiteout sport. That white bumper on it and just the white and black, how it all flows. It's just been a gorgeous, simple truck. You know, there's been nothing super extreme done to it, but it's time to take it to where we think it should be and everything else that we built. So we're off to wrap, but got to get the truck cleaned up first. Alright, everybody, heading out to drop the truck off to wrap. Hey, Jake's ahead of me right now. We're heading over to Petty Wraps to pick out our colors and get started on getting the truck wrapped. Your boobies.
Cover them up.
Alright, we're here at Petty Wraps and we're gonna go pick out some colors before we start getting wrapped. So let's go. Ready to tell us a little bit more about Petty Wraps? Since you're going to be our sole wrap guy, graphic color change guy.
Well, as you see, we're busy. What we specialize is in like color changes, stuff like that. Fleet quality is one of our #1 priorities. You know, and I don't like to rush anything. You know, we're quick at what we do, and we're probably the best out in the area of what we do. But quality and edges and looking like that is number one for us.
Well, how long have you guys been doing it?
I've been in the game for 10 years, and my shop's been open for just about a year now. But it's blowing up. A lot of people are finding out that I've moved to my previous spot that I was at.
Well, yeah, you keep posting more and more crazy creative ones also.
Yeah.
Not just normal wrap jobs.
Yeah, like this Bronco, I mean, this has been a full build from the ground up. And when he picked out his colors and everything like that, it was in mind of what he was actually doing to the rig and everything. So, and it's turned out really well.
I want to see this in the sun. Have you seen this color in the sun yet?
Oh yeah. Yeah, when we picked it out, it looked really good, but unfortunately with the rain, we might not get the sun till tomorrow, hopefully. I don't know.
Well, Randy will probably have this posted before the time our truck is done. So go follow his page. We'll put a link on it to see what this looks like out in the sun and when it's completed.
One says satin, one says matte.
Supposedly this, you said matte white, super not fun to clean.
It really looks grease, it's just hard to get out.
No.
It's grease?
Yeah, like your fingers and stuff like that, just hard to get out.
But you
no
said
on the,
satin white wouldn't
matte
be
white.
as bad. You can actually feel it.
Yeah.
Satin white pearl,
Ooh.
Cadillac,
Or just the white pearl.
Cadillac.
Caddy style.
You want to look at greens.
I want greens. So there's this olive, although this khaki green. Probably go matte.
It's a satin.
It's a satin. Which I feel like I like the satin more than the
I
matte.
think matte would actually help the lines.
Yeah. Matt would help the lines on that. Thanks, Matt. Pepto-Bismol.
Oh,
Can you imagine?
no. I don't want to imagine.
Check truck.
What was this color again?
It's a metallic gray. Metallic dark gray.
Metallic dark gray.
Yeah. Matte.
Matte metallic dark gray. And then the hood's what color? That's matte. That's straight matte. And then all the other accents are matte. So should we do matte or satin black for the roof?
Let's take a look.
And all the other accents, because we got the
Satin.
pillars too.
I like the way the shimmer on the satin versus the matte. It just stands out a little bit more.
That's matte. Matte looks tough.
That does look tough. That one's matte?
Yeah. The satin's got a little bit of black in it still.
A little more sheen, but yeah, I like the way the matte looks on that thing. That could be matte metallic gunmetal is what that looks like.
I wonder if that was one of the ones Randy sent me. Because I had so I was thinking gray.
Yeah.
And I had 3 different gray combos. But you wanted green. So what's your favorite green for an option?
Ooh. Matte olive green. Probably that one.
That one.
Yeah.
What's your secondary? Combined with that.
Combined with that, yeah. I just had it. It was right here.
Do people, when they get the chrome mats, complain that they get pulled over a lot? That they can't hide?
No,
Yeah, they don't call you.
they just rob a bank and just pull over and take off the wrap real quick.
This is actually really nice gray.
All right, so those are our 2 options. We'll leave them to it. Stay tuned for the next one.